Weekend near.
Not bad. Yeah, bad. So weekend near pa.
Oh, Yara.
Utini fatal. Ama when you mother. Yeah. We no so aba fine.
And I know be tia ka na makosane na mabofo e mai.
Etua indirectly.
Dabe.
Etua. The first time you fan to say we tie the secret and just etua. Daddy akeka. Ogumani ma se do ja wa se. Edi
Désolé. CJ.
What's up? What's trending?
Galamsey trendy. And Gihok air trendy.
Okay.
Legon air trendy.
Okay.
Chips compound air trendy. And some other videos and so air trendy. Now, me shall see with Chips compound. No. Now, there's a video of Yera Kwachofosu. No chemu say omo babe see Chips compound. District be have see 2. Oh.
Yeah.
Na Ghana forecasta. Say na agenda 111 then AC. Near starting and most mobile complete projects. Then AC. Ya tra Chips compound near there. Who the NTA minister answer?
Okay, the Minister Felix Kwache Ofosu.
From this common fund, and my DC is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new Chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 Chips compounds. That will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us over 2,000 Chips compounds in the next 4 years. And this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services for the people of Ghana. Because even the Abokomano Chips compound that I put out sometime in April last year, it's not too far from here. The information I have is that between that time and now, close to 1,000 patients have received healthcare in that facility, and that is a modest facility. So you can imagine the sort of impact that will be made if 2,000 additional Chips compounds are built by this government over the next 4 years, and that would provide access to healthcare for millions of Ghanaians, and this will go a long way to improve healthcare services across the country. So we are very committed to ensuring that our people have access to quality healthcare. And at various levels, we will make efforts to invest in health facilities that meet the needs of the people. Yeah.
Na comments ni be obi say Chips compound at this day and age. My main kind comments ni be say another waste of taxpayers' money. Go and complete the agenda 111. Ya can only the mean to mean kind can. And 600 Chips compounds by 2025. This is the same government that can't even complete stored hospitals or stock existing ones with basic supplies. Empty promises wrapped with PR stunts. Ghanaians are tired of being fed blueprints instead of results. And will be see baby na bisa say agenda 111 no adena omun complete instead of Chips compound no na CJ ye call Galamsey insem no nse wadi hu komodada na obiamra Facebook na question patrofa video no eto Facebook me won say ye say ache for Chinese nationals.
Yeah.
Hi to ba Facebook a obehu Chinese for ne omo ka ho no ene pictures of excavators near there na omo season no. Obi say, man, this news about those 4 Chinese nationals caught during Galamsey on the Subin and Jimmy Rivers in Atatam. It's Sanya Bono.
Yeah, Atatim.
Atatim. It's just another day, for real. It's wild that the MDF CEO and the police have to roll up on them. It just goes to show some folks are always going to try and get theirs no matter what. Even if it means messing up the land and our future. And we said they should not just send them back to their country. They should be dealt with in this country. And we said they should be immediately prosecuted. Period. Now, CJ, Gihok, former Gihok, Maxwell Kofi Juma. Yeah. Na say national security for akofano. Say mismanagement of funds be under his tenure. Say I think there's some months ago me baba catch say every Friday now or the 40,000 cash Kofi any idea it's say national security for akofano. Aye. Now there's a video be His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na obisa question to Gehok for no trending na yentie audio no.
Okay. And we're giving the debt position of state-owned enterprises, and almost all of them are in debt. Even companies like Gehok Distilleries, where when I was president, they used to pay a little dividend to government. Today, they also owe. The question I ask is, how can you sell alcohol and be in debt? When Ghanaians are happy, we drink alcohol. When we are sad, we drink. When we are not happy, we are not sad, we drink. So how can you sell alcohol and lose? And so we're charging the money.
Jim FM.
See any Gia ensa. Yere hoa ensa. How can you sell alcohol? No aboka.
Mboka.
Sal waka mboka. Oye na mboka sa. Eti no o meche mu. Na si they say Legon for issue statement say COVID ni ade.
Yeah.
Na there's this students be our trendy. Na credit and comma city. Omu ko ho na omu bisa ne say then or and then I will say then or doing for COVID ne ho ne then or be here to protect himself or say certain nko.
I say COVID be am I.
Certain nko. Na school for no person omu to mani je so. Yentie no.
They are lying. I think they want to cancel the enjoyment on campus. Yeah, that's all.
They want to cancel what?
Yeah, they want to find a way to cancel the enjoyment on campus. Yes, that's why.
Enjoyment.
See the whole weeks, departmental weeks and things. Yeah.
That's why so you don't believe them.
Sure.
So as a student, you are not concerned. You don't fear that COVID is indeed on.
Oh no.
Also, on this COVID be na whole week ni ade no. Say me who statements be from Sami Baflex. Say Shatawale was supposed to go and perform Ewo Legon.
Okay.
But because of COVID-19 no, social gatherings ni ade no. Yeah, suspended. What I said, some na guy na kanu. Or say who some person mutina o mani je sunti no mo yesa. You. Na there's a video me fama wansa na mako. Na abrantie bi yesi oye kronfo. E na o machi no e wotema committee 9. Na edwuma ye de ama no so onye no. TJ. E nesi gata mu ohun. Na esi o te gata ni mu from tema committee 9. Akosi 25.
Hey.
Kwesi fa video ne to so mami. Ye bo audio na that video no so no CD. Ye nkwe.
All right. It's video on the Facebook. Enti.
Juma na na koso no. Koso. Wa check he nipa ba ko he juma wa e. Ana pan kwanto of boy. 11:40. Yeah. Oyi haina I come to 9 I dey come to 25 no. Dem run about no. Dem run about. I 1000 nenim ho a. Baba ko ejuma obo. Anka kire o so onye ejuma o beba kro no.
Osa ahoma chichi ni sisi.
Am de ahoma chichi ni aso no pa.
Na comment ni bi won. Obi say ye nto aduane mani ndi no nto aso.
Wa ya adwuma o hwe na chi.
12 more.
O hwe ba bi o sha se fi ye pa.
Fi ye pa. O ti akosi 25 o, tema committee 25. Wa winning baby a tema committee 9 one baby a 25 one no. Bon say adwuma no ayen CJ. Mi do be sinya mi adom o chan ye be hia.
All right, Adom 6.3